In this video I will make lithium polymer battery pack. It's cheap and easy to make. All you need is an old laptop where you can get batteries from, and you will need a circuit board. You can get all kinds of circuit boards online on eBay or any other sites, but for this video I will be using this circuit board. You can also get the entire case with already built-in circuit board. For this power bank I will be using old calculator case. The screen was broken, and so I might as well use its case for my projects. If you are wondering, this is the type of calculator that I am using for this video. You will need some lithium ion batteries that you can find in old laptops. But for this project I will be using these lithium polymer batteries that are thin and lightweight. And then we can start the project. First, what you will need to do is to fit your circuit board in your case. Then I will solder everything together. After that, I glued the circuit board and a battery in calculator case, and I tested everything to see if it actually worked. And here is the finished product. It looks amazing, and what is more important, it functions well. If you like this video, please subscribe and press thumbs up.